Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on system. Here we've got reset options, so let's enter, and at the very first position we've got the option for which we are looking for actually, so simply tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so let's tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or a pin, then enter it to confirm and tap on reset settings, but be aware that you cannot undo this action, so if you're ready, tap on reset settings, and as you can see the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.